Okay, I'm Seema Giri. My business is Asterix India Project Solutions. We're into project management, consulting, and education, where we provide end-to-end project management solutions for companies, from SMEs, individuals to SMEs to the Fortune 500 companies. We've been in business for the last 12 years. We're a US-based company. We're about 12 years old, and we've been in India for the last 8 years. I'm actually from US. I've been raised over there. The last 25 years I spent in the US. So this concept was conceptualized over there. Then we felt that project management is such a thing that can provide a structure and really measures the health of the project as the project is going on, rather than looking at the traditional way where you finish the project and then you discover why it didn't go right. So this helps you manage your project as these are global best practices that you implement. So we thought with India, we came to India in 2000. The way things are happening here, all the industries are fragmented and disorganized. And if we provide a little bit of some structure, that would certainly lead India to a new direction. Basically, the beauty of project management is it fits into any industry, but primarily we started with a focus in IT, since the BPO and IT industry was booming back then in 2000. So we started with IT, in construction, e-governance, pharmaceuticals. So basically it fits the whole bandwidth of the industries that are there. We started with zero. We're still a self-funded company. We started with, I think we put $35,000 on our credit card in US, and we've just managed with our delivery, and we had this we were very light, and we just built upon that. We were very determined to have our own ideas and run the business the way we wanted to. So we really stayed away from any kind of investment from banks or any other VC companies. I think it's really hot and exciting place to be. There's a lot of opportunities now. If I look back in my last 8 years in India, things are really growing now that we're also competing in the global market. A lot of new sectors, a lot of opportunities are coming out, and it's really wonderful to see that in a place like India, there's a lot of focus on women also. And I believe India is one of the few countries that has a lot of, if you look at the positions, it's one of the few countries that has a lot of women on the top level.